Are you looking for the best power converters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best power converters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Key Power Voltage Converter and Travel Adapter. Key Power Converter is a patented product that allows you to use American electronics in over 30 countries. With 4 different sockets and voltage conversion, you can use your hair straightener, electric shaver, laptop, and more with ease. The converter features 4 USB ports, including a PD Type-C port, and is capable of simultaneously charging multiple devices such as iPhone, iPad, Android, and tablets. The product is equipped with safety features to protect your devices from overcurrent, overtemperature, short circuit, and overload. Please note that the converter is not compatible with household appliances over 230 watts, hair dryers, and tools. What we like: compact and portable design, multiple outlet options, quick charging capabilities, versatile for international travel, includes travel pouch. What we don't like: internal fuse may blow, can be slightly heavy. Number 2. BESTEK Universal Travel Adapter Voltage Converter. The BESTEK Universal Travel Adapter Voltage Converter is a must-have for international travelers. With direct EU plug and 4 adapters, it is perfect for Europe travel. It converts voltage from 100 to 240 volts to 110 volts for American appliances with up to 92% conversion rate. Safety is also a top priority with overcurrent, overload, overheat, and short circuit protection. It has 250W output power for USB ports and 3 AC ports to charge up to 7 devices at once. It is also worldwide compatible with 1 EU power cable and 4 international adapters, making it usable in over 150 countries. What we like: multiple outlets, multiple USB ports, solid build quality, fast charging speed, includes various plug adapters. What we don't like: slightly larger than preferred. Fan hum can be noticeable. Number 3. FOVAL Power Converter with Universal Plug Adapter. FOVAL Power Converter is a versatile voltage converter that comes with 4 international adapters, allowing you to use American electronics in over 160 countries. With 2 AC outlets and 4 USB charging ports, it can support multiple devices to charge simultaneously, such as hair straighteners, curling wands, laptops, electric shavers, toothbrushes, fans, game consoles, TVs, and more. The converter is designed for travel with a compact size and detachable power cable. It also has multiple safety features, including surge protection, overheating, short-circuiting, overcurrent, overtemperature, short circuit, and overload protection. Certified by CE, FCC, and RoHS industry standard, it is safe to use. Please note that it is not suitable for hair dryers or household appliances over 230 watts. What we like: compact and lightweight design, multiple USB ports available, reliable in various countries, handles high-power devices, good vendor support for issues. What we don't like: potential long-term reliability issues, confusing product information. Number 4. LVYUAN 5000W Voltage Converter Transformer. Introducing the LVYUAN 5000W Converter, a heavy-duty voltage transformer designed to meet all your power conversion needs. With its 5,000 watt capacity, this transformer allows you to easily step up voltage from 110 to 120 volts to 220 to 240 volts, or step down voltage from 220 to 240 volts to 110 to 120 volts. It features dual-mode output sockets, allowing you to use both 110-120V USA devices and 220-240V universal devices. The transformer is built with environmentally friendly materials and comes with a metal casing for durability. It also features a fanless cooling design, making it odorless and noise-free. With 2 resettable circuit breakers, You don't have to worry about replacing fuses in case of overload. Simply press the fuse button to restore the circuit. The LVYUAN 5000W converter comes with a hardwired insulated power cord and a 3-year manufacturer's limited warranty. Upgrade your power conversion experience with the LVYUAN 5000W converter. What we like: quiet operation, compact and portable, good value for money, effective voltage conversion, excellent customer service. What we don't like: some units may fail early. Size and weight may be cumbersome. Number 5. BESTEK Universal Travel Adapter Voltage Converter. BESTEK Travel Adapter is a universal voltage converter that allows you to charge your devices in over 150 countries around the world. With patented technology, it converts voltage in different countries, making it ideal for charging all kinds of devices. It charges up to 7 devices simultaneously with 4 USB charging ports and 3 AC sockets that support a maximum of 250 W power. The USB outputs are completely isolated from the AC power to prevent all your devices from being damaged. The adapter is NRTL safety tested, and upgraded hardware provides complete protection for you and your devices. It also comes with overcurrent, overload, overheat, and short circuit protections. The compact design and 5-foot detachable power cable make it easy to pack and take anywhere you go. What we like: convenient travel size, 4-port USB charger, voltage converter functionality, durable build quality, versatile plug options. What we don't like: slight noise during operation, may feel warm to touch.